Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to check the bearing caps and the bearings themselves with a little plastic gauge here.
Seems decent. Which one are you gonna do it on?
This one we already took it off.
Oh, yeah.
Grab the socket that fits that.
Crap, we put them away.
There, the tray is right over there where Logan is.
Oh.
So as you can see, there's some wear right there. It's still smooth. Ain't no ridges, none. But we want to make sure, we're going to get new bearings, but we want to see, you know, how bad the gap was. So we're going to set that there. I need to see, grab me that light above the thing there.
There.
2, 3, so it's going to go like that. Yep. So it's going to sit just like that.
Need this?
Yeah, we got to cut a little piece off it. So, y'all haven't seen this. Just a little. Tiny piece of plastic in here. I think I probably got a piece in there. I don't know. Let me see here. Yep, it's in there. There it is. Super tiny.
How much coolant does it lose on average?
Well, did not have enough this time, that's for sure.
Shit.
All right, that's in there. I need to put my glasses on because it moved on me.
Oh, you put it in?
Yeah. Just lay it. God damn it.
What?
I dropped it down. It's...
Yep.
All right, so we got to get that out sometime.
Sure it's supposed to be that tiny of a piece?
Yeah. It's a super small piece that you need to have.
Well, I got one light on.
What?
Just one light's on. Yeah, you see that?
It's probably out.
Yeah. I got these things right here.
Oh, you took it? Okay.
Yep. You need it for anything?
I'll leave that in there for you then.
Alright. As long as you don't need any more of it.
Nope, I'm okay.
Alright, changing out the oil.
Oh, no, this is fun.
so now with that on there, you can put this back in.
I'm just frustrated it hasn't come out here yet. Normally when she wakes up, she's like, "Oh, what's going on out here?" She's all excited about it.
Oh, after all change?
Or just anything. I'm not inside at home. Where is he at? How can I bother him?
You can see that ratchet, just the ratchet part.
Just that? Oh.
There it goes. There's that. I have this nut here.
Yep.
You got another nut somewhere.
Yep. Ready to tighten them?
Yeah, go ahead and snug them down. So this, by the way, is a 2-bolt main. It's only 2 bolts.
It's snug. Really?
Yeah, see, 2, 2, 2.
Yep, then add the ones on the sides.
All right, so let me see
I
that.
will see you guys later.
Alrighty.
Yeah, because the other one we had that is now not going to work had the 2 on the sides.
Yep.
Shit.
Go ahead and take that one off.
This one? Yeah.
Set the oil pan on.
Now we got to take it back up.
Without dropping that piece. It should come right off.
Yeah. There it is.
Okay. So, let me get you guys down here a minute. You can see that piece of plastic right there sandwiched across the bearing. Hand me that white piece of paper right there on the floor.
There you go.
I forgot to cinch this down. Ooh, it smells like skunky. Let me get it over here first.
Yep, that's about.
So it's got 2 different measurements, one on the outside, one over here, and one in the middle. And the one in the middle is 0.076. Out there, it's 0.51. Make sure you guys can see that. I just wanted to get the number on what it looked like.
Just see just how messed up it might be. So is it looking good or?
It's like the lowest one you can do on there, so And this stuff really just paints itself right onto the bearing, the journal. It just smashes it. So we just take it back off with our nail.
I'm sure you don't need a solvent. Just to fully dissolve it.
And then we're gonna take this bearing out. We're gonna clean it up. So we can take it to O'Reilly's and get the right bearings. Because all these things, they don't have any play like this, only sideways. There we go. We can see these numbers really good now. I love trying to get things to focus. There we go.
This old ass gasket is just disgusting. And falling completely apart.
A618. And this side. All right, so there's that one. Now let's take a main bearing cap off. I'm going to keep this one grab those two nuts over there.
Sure.
We're just going to put them on finger tight because there ain't no bearing in there.
Remember, we had to find the piece of plastic that fell down into the engine.
Yeah, I'll get it. I'll get it later. We'll rinse it out and make sure we got it. It's down there in the valley upside down.
Yep.
All right, let's get a wrench, a socket, and pull this bearing cap off here. Because I want to put new bearings in it anyway because there's wear. So it really doesn't matter what it's mic'd at, but they look like a little bigger than 9/16, so that'd be what, 5?
Yep. I just went one size larger than necessary. Off this one?
Yeah, you're gonna have to get rid of this extension though.
Why?
Because it's too big. You're gonna need all the torque you need.
Yeah.
That way. There you go. Okay, crack the other one. Stop.
Oof.
Crack the other one.
There you go.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay, now you can use this if you want.
Yeah, they are on there.
Well, that's the main bearings.
Whew.
I'm hoping to see no wear. I don't know if we're going to get that.
Possibly.
Hoping. I can hope all I want. I can poop in one hand and hope in the other and see which one fills up first.
There you go. These are...
It's got a bunch of shit in it, that's for sure.
Don't know how.
Well, those are oil passages
Well,
coming up the...
$400 for an engine, but it would suck if this engine can't be used.
Oh, we could use it. I guarantee it. Because it fired. It's just, how much we can use it.
There you go. Nope.
Okay, keep it in the right orientation. Let me see.
Yeah, this
Which
way.
ones?
It was exactly that way.
So GM is over here, and it faces that way. Oh, goody.
Proved.
Well. Yeah, there's grooves on that crank.
Hmm.
Yeah, see the There's wear all around it. So we're going to have to take this to the shop. Because I don't want to just throw it in there like that.
So that means it's full disassembly time.
Yeah, I can feel I can feel the stuff.
Hell yeah. Let's disassemble.
So they're gonna have to turn that crank as well.
Oh yeah.
All right.
But if they do that, how much does that take off of it? Meaning, how much does this engine get modified by?
Well, they're gonna tell us. They'll tell us what's been done.
All right. All right. Stripping it down now.
No, not yet.
What?
We're
all ready.
Well, I mean, I suppose we could, but we got to pull the heads off first, and that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
I was really hoping we didn't have to do the bottom end, but I could. Well, no, because the crank has got some ridges in it, and so I don't want to just throw new bearings in it because they'll just wear out.
Exactly. It'll start chewing them up the second that we do.
Second we fire.
Well, getting it machined isn't a problem because the truck's found a new home underneath another tree. So if it goes on so long, the truck's found its own spot. So ain't nobody gonna need underneath them trees.
Go ahead and just snug those down, not tight, just snug them. That's all we need. So we don't have to worry about that piece of plastic dip in there because we're getting a new one.
Yep. Yeah, because we're going to be sending this to machine shop.
Right.
Well, it gives us a chance to go there and get the other one we had.
Right, because that motor's still technically good. It just needs, bigger bearings than I want to put in it.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Or bigger rings than I want to put in it.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Well.
So we don't need, we can pull this back off and reset that bearing in there until we get to it.
It was 9/16 for those. Oh, no, you already got that. Yeah, that was just tape.
Yeah. Grab that bearing sitting there. You see that little divot?
That's where the oil goes
right
in?
There. Now it lines it up and keeps it in place.
Oh.
When they talk about spinning a rod bearing, it's where that thing folds up and the bearing spins inside of it.
Does it make a sound when it does that?
You lose oil pressure for sure. So I don't know if it necessarily gets a sound to it or just, I've never actually seen a spun rod bearing in the motor.
It seems pretty difficult to do that.
It depends. You run it out of oil and then it'll spin real because it locks up because of the heat.
Well, Josh, his car has been running on low oil pressure for the past 4 days, and I told him just put some more in before you do your oil change. He's like, nah, it's no problem. Like, he hits down low oil pressure on the gauge, and why would he bother wasting money putting oil in it now when he just buy oil and on the weekend put oil in it? It's like, and change the whole oil. It's like, because it's bad for it.
Yeah, because it's bad for it.
It's like too low blood pressure. Car's going to pass out on you.
Right. All right, so what we can do,
turn it.
Let's move this back over here. Yeah, we'll turn the motor over.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that. It's always tough with this one. Dang, it's not oiled up.
It's a little heavy.
Look at that.
Hitting a bolt right there. This thing hit on that other side, so I gotta go this way. Oh, we got more water out.
Yeah.
That's okay. Come on over here.
Yep.
And pin that thing. Let me get to the...
It's so hard to move that the pinning probably ain't gonna do anything. There you go.
Oh, it'll stop it from flipping back over.
Pretty much.
All right. Let me get a piece of something to set this stuff on here. Probably set the heads on that. Little baggie for all the bolts. If I had a baggie, I got baggies. They're all taken care of. Firewall and under hood. I think those are for the one we're working on.
What do you mean? Oh, yeah.
I think they're for the Chevy.
Yeah, we never did anything about the old stuff we had everywhere.
Never labeled anything on the Expedition.
Yep.
Alright, so I'm going to take these out. Throw these in here.
Yeah.
Balance. I'm just going to use this bucket. I'm going to get rid of these lifters
Don't need that.
because they're all for.
You
Well, they're for that other motor, aren't they?
Yeah, those are the other motor. They're not this one.
Yeah, but they're all trash.
Huh, why do we save them?
Because if we could put the motor back together, we'd use them again.
Really? Why don't you buy new ones?
Let me take it out of here. We would buy new ones. Okay. So here's our bolt bucket too. I'm sweating like crazy with this shirt on.
Well, it's almost 80 degrees or 90 degrees out.
Wearing a flannel long sleeve.
Alright, so we'll be taking this apart.
Basically the 8 head bolts holding that head on.
Well, we got these other smaller bolts here. Or was it 8 each?
There's 8 each.
Yep.
1, 2,
Staggers.
3.
How big are they?
I'd say they're probably the same size as that last one. I'm looking to really leave oil on the driveway.
Oh, of course. It's all. The oil was being changed out there. At least it was out there.
Right?
There we go. Alright.
The smallest extension is going to be the best.
That's the smallest. Oh, you want that one?
Yeah, that'll
There
get
you
you
go.
in there. Only because it's going to be tough.
Oh, yeah. Head bolt.
Make sure you're square. There you go.
Yeah, if I make sure it's square, I'm not going to have enough power.
You know what we need?
But,
We need a 1/2 inch and a breaker bar.
oh, yeah.
What size was it?
5/8. Only way.
There's a chance you're going to break this, but
Oh, yeah.
At least we'll have enough torque.
Pretty much.
There we go.
Hopefully they have the anti-seize.
They're coming loose.
Just sounds so violent when it goes crack.
It is. It's tight.
Yeah, see, 'cause those ones sound normal. Yeah, I was gonna say get the next two. It's a lot easier with this thing.
I'll grab this right in there. A little bit more. There you go. Yeah, seeing as how you got what, 2.5, almost 3 feet of torque.
Pretty much. Think on.
Okay, so before we go any further, we're gonna pull the rockers off. I think.
Oh, the back into it?
That's an SK. Don't worry about that. There you go.
Oh, big rest one? Alright.
A little bit more. There you go. Oh. A little more.
There we go. And this thing's be broken.
Take that socket off there.
Why? Oh, I'll put it on there.
We still in frame on that camera over there?
Yeah, kind of. There we go.
Alright, we're good to go now.
Alright.
The buggers don't want to come off there.
Not really. Here, once I get the rest of them off, we'll...
Keep going. It's coming.
That one didn't want to come off. There we go.
I saw it moving.
That one didn't want to go.
Right, there's a washer in there, so
Yep,
watch.
right there. Some of them just don't want to go.
You just gotta turn them and play with them a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know how to get them out. Oh, there we go.
See, they're coming out. It's just comes in. They got this little
Washer on them.
well, it's a caved washer. See, so it kind of fits in there and gets stuck. It's just kind of normal. Okay,
I got all this.
we're going after the head bolts. So let's break these head bolts next.
Alrighty. Yeah. Start over here. So much easier.
Freaking motor.
It just wants to move.
It does.
What?
Barely on it. There you go. You're on it.
Really? Doesn't feel like it. Yeah.
Yep.
There we go.
Whew. Now that may be the same size as the one you had on that.
Oh, this? Yep.
All right, let's start with this side over here. Where's the bolt?
That's it.
I'm just making sure they're loose, and we're going to spin them off with the drill.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think I just felt the head move. Okay, throw that on the drill.
Then just use that.
Yep. It's out. Long one's up top. Whatever you do, don't touch that head yet.
Yep. Well, it's bolted on by this stuff on here.
Oh, we got more.
Yeah.
There's that breaker bar.
Over here.
You want to do them?
Yeah, I can.
Let's start it here. Oh, these aren't even tight.
Yeah, now.
They should be.
Those ones should?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're still clamping the head down, yeah. Well, maybe this engine was made differently. Who knows?
Differently by some dumbass. Okay, grab the.
Oh, yeah, just so you can make sure it's loose.
No, they're all loose. You
Sure.
can just throw it on the drill and
Alright.
pop them out.
These ones are real tiny.
Yeah, just throw them in the bucket.
Oh, okay. This?
Yeah. We're just putting all the bolts in there.
Well, send this to a machine shop. It's going to be nice. Because then we're going to have a nice new engine. Whoop. You want to grab the head?
Is it all loose?
That's all of them. Well, I don't know if it's loose, but that's all of them. I don't see anything else holding it on. Besides this gasket.
Gotta have a hammer.
Oh, yeah. The only few things holding it in.
Now, I thought about grabbing the dead blow, but don't need it.
Yep. Should have announced holding it.
Yeah. It's loose now.
Decent amount of carbon on them. Real nasty in the water lines. Real bad.
Water lines?
Yeah.
Oh, that's just trash. It's just
Rust.
rusty garbage.
No, machine shop will fix that. Oh, this is a gasket.
Yeah. It had new gaskets.
Yeah.
They're blue.
Well, we'll be able to paint the engine all blue this time now.
Right?
I just hope this one will work after being machined, like no cracked heads.
Yeah. I don't need my glasses right now.
Yeah. These ones over here, they loosen up, or you need to loosen them up with the wrench again. They're both ones.
We're gonna pop these, so.
All right, breaker bar. Oh yeah, you can break them all. Just come behind you, take them out.
Loose. Loose. They didn't torque these.
Nope.
That one was.
They did not torque them at all.
See if this fits that water socket on that head right down there.
Oh. Nope, way too big.
Way too big.
Way too big. Oh, you want me to take out the head bolts?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right. A little bit too big.
I want to get that thing off there because that's might be a little bit tight.
Too small. Yep.
Then we are going to go with the slightly too big.
Yeah, because it's like just a little bit too big.
There we go. Oh, look at that. There was a piece of crap in there.
All gummed up. Well, shit.
Just a piece of garbage. All right. You already got those, so
These ones?
we can start with these.
There you go.
Hang on one second. Let me rotate this thing.
Oh, yeah, door, it's not. Oh, you have the pin in.
I know, but I want to rock it that way.
Oh, okay. There you go.
So there's a little bit more holding it on.
Pretty much. There you go.
So the shorties are on the end.
There we go. The power tools make it so much better.
That's what Tony kept saying.
Well, that's why when we take off the tires for my car to change the rear brakes, once I change my oil again, we're using the impact drill thing, the air powered one. Definitely using that to take them off. Think it's loose?
It's loose. Not a whole bunch loose, but it's loose.
It's something.
There it goes.
Wedge it in this way.
Yeah, I know, but getting your fingers out of there, it's loose. I can pull it off now.
Hey, sure. No other bolts. I didn't miss none.
I got a place to set it, so that's good.
Yep.
Finger in there.
There you go. And you got the gasket too. Yep. Perfectly in frame. Oh, that's nasty. And these, oh my god. That's completely built up with shit.
Yeah, that's why it's going to the shop, because there's crap in there. It's all got a bunch of little, just pieces of rust.
Yeah. Insane amount. Holy fuck. That's ridiculous.
Alright.
Well, top done. Flip around.
Take the fresh off of it.
Oh, you need me to take it out?
Nope. Yeah, yes. I don't see any other bolts.
Nothing I can tell, except for this thing that keeps on the gasket.
That's just the.
Got this right here.
Yeah.
We can get to that on the other
Let's
side.
get that off.
Okay. Well, these pistons should come out a lot better than the last one.
Oh, I guarantee they will.
Because there ain't one that's completely seized in. Yeah, that'll work.
There you go. Turn that. Just keep whipping it around.
Yep. There you go. That's a plug. You know what I did? Leave something in there. Look at that, left something in there.
Oh, it's trash.
You sure?
Yeah. Unless it's bust off bolt.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's all just corrosion. See.
Good lord. Well, machine shop was definitely needed. Oh. The next side one.
We need to get these two off there.
Oh, much smaller socket is needed.
Thinking they're gonna be this size. Let me have that one.
Yep. There you go.
And just tap that thing. Pop it off.
Didn't even need to tap it. It wanted to come out.
Oh, okay.
Yep, got the
There we go. Fuel pump rod.
Alright. Next is I don't know.
We're just looking for other bolts on this side there. All gone. You've got one right here.
Oh, yep, it's gonna be my last socket, so maybe bigger. Nope. Well, that's it.
We'll leave that on that cap for now. I got another one right here.
Yep. Here we're gonna turn it a different way.
Let's go down towards it.
What?
Oh, it's me and Amanda.
Yeah.
There you go. Let's pull those out.
Yeah, they're much smaller. Oh, yeah. This might fit.
Nope, it's that one. Oh, look, one of the lifters fell out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's on the ground there.
Oh, shit. It's not damaged?
It's okay, nope.
Because of that flywheel.
Yeah, which we also have to take off, but that's not going to be a big deal.
Yeah.
I do think, though, it's dinner time.
Oh?
That's what Megan and Amanda went over there.
Oh, they're coming over for dinner?
Yeah.
Well, Mom should text, shouldn't she?
She would, but we're in a metal building.
All this oil.
There's another lifter.
I think that's it. I don't see anything else on this side except for the flywheel. But then again, we always find one, so.
Where's our pin?
What pin? Oh, yeah, fair. I'll have to be locked in this position?
These aren't going to matter because we're going to get new ones, even though they look pretty good.
Let me see. Yeah, they look better than the last ones. I don't know.
And not as gummed up. They look decent.
Definitely not as gummed up. Oh, yeah, we can just pull the rest of the lifters out.
Well, let's wait. Let's wait on those. Just leave them.
Alright.
Because I think it's time for dinner. Mom said 6.
Alright.
All right, we'll pick back up on this again.